Imagine it's raining outside. You turn on your TV and you watch a South Indian movie because Sony Max और ये सब channel पे वही आती है and you actually happen to like it. So I happen to watch a total of 13 movies this month of July and loving hating them. Let's rate them together. For the first movie we have Housemates. This is the movie that I was talking about initially. It is based on two couples who live at the same room but without realizing. But when they realize that they are living together, and the reason is due to time travel. And the first half was really good. I was so logged in that I didn't move and I didn't get up the whole time, but the second half disappointed me a lot and I changed the channel. I didn't even complete it because the ending sucked. I would rate it a 5.2 because first half was really good and they tried to use a different topic. For the first movie we have C Company. Now don't get me wrong by the name because the name is hilarious and so is the movie. It is directed by Ekta Kapoor. It stars Anupam Kher and Tushar Kapoor, of course, and the Pandit from the Bhool Bhulaiya. Three of them happen to, call this. Actually, they see corruption around them and they feel that we should start a company and start blackmailing people to stop doing bad work. And yeah, that's pretty much the plot. The plot is very interesting, but I did not wanted to give away a lot in the plot itself. I want you all to watch it because it is the best comic drama you will come across. It is and very underrated, so please give it a watch. I would rate it a 9.6 on 10. For the third movie we have Stanley Ka Dabba. Now talking about this movie, I cannot talk about this movie without feeling a thud in my chest or my heart because this movie has made me feel so many emotions at the same time. And you all know my love for Amol Gupte. I don't want to give spoilers or tell you anything, but still, if you guys want to know about this, I will link the video that I've recorded about it here. Go watch it. I will rate it 100 on 10 any given day. For the next movie, we have Little Miss Sunshine. Now, this movie I watched it for the plot, of course, and secondly for Michael Scott. Michael Scott was amazing as usual, but the plot of the movie, you guys need to listen. There's this girl, she wants to go to a pageant and win it. She has been dreaming about it since her childhood. She is obviously a child, but वो बचपन से उसका सपना है कि उसको एक pageant जीतना है और उसको Little Miss Sunshine बनना है. So पूरी family, they all go together to support her. And the chaos that happens all the way along when they reach there and while being on the pageant is hilarious, amazing, incredible. It has all the correct messages. It is a motivational comedy. Yeah, it's a motivational comedy movie. You guys need to watch it. I would rate it a 10 on 10 any given day. Next up we have Silver Lining Playbook. Now the movie was so good. I don't know why ये motivational वाली सारी movie एक साथ क्यों आ रही है. पहले Little Miss Sunshine, then Silver Lining Playbook, but दोनों ही काफ़ी अच्छी है. I would rate it a 10 on 10. आप देखिए, आप उसको बिल्कुल भी regret नहीं करेंगे because Jennifer Lawrence and Bradley Cooper, they never go wrong, right? Second we have, for the next movie we have Best of Me. I don't know मैंने ये movie क्यों देखा. I guess one of my friend has suggested me to watch it and review, but मुझे इसमें ऐसा कुछ रिव्यू करने जैसा लगा नहीं. The female lead was really beautiful, of course, and it is a rom-com, but it's a sad movie. I don't know what to say or what to feel about it, but I did not like it very much. I would not watch it again. I would never watch it again. एक बार देख के ही बस हो गया. So I would rate it 5.4 on 10. For the next we have Pataka. Now Pataka, I wanted to make a separate video about this because Vishal Bharadwaj, Pappi, and Radhika Madan, of course, Sanya Malhotra, Sunil Grover, all of them were Vijay Raj, of course, all of them were crazy, hilarious and outstanding performance. Like, guys, what have they done in it? Amazing. They have gone out of their way. They have changed their body language and anything and everything about themselves. It was amazing. 100 on 100. It is based on two sisters who never get along in their entire life. since they have since they have came into this universe till the day they get married, they are fighting every single day. But what happens in the end that brings them together, you all need to watch. It's amazing, it's hilarious, it's lovely, and it is a satirical comedy. There are many political jokes as well, which I loved, because in this universe, at the time that we are alive, we need to watch such movies to revoke the patriotic human in us. So I would rate it a 10 on 10 any given day. Amazing, give it a watch. For the next movie we have Bara Ana. Now this is a very I'm not sure if this was released on a commercial platform or what, but Nasiruddin Shah, Vijay Raj, and there's this other guy, I happen to not remember his name, but ये तीनों काफी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं, एंड दे वांट टू ग्रो इन देयर लाइफ, सो दे हैपन टू चूज द रॉन्ग पाथ, और उसमें वो कितना केओस में फंस जाते हैं. इस सिचुएशन के अराउंड पूरी मूवी बेस्ड है. सो इट वाज अ गुड डिफरेंट मूवी, लाइक कुछ अलग देख लिया, ब्रेथ ऑफ अ फ्रेश एयर वैसा हो गया. तो आई वुड रेट इट 6.2 on 10. Okay, so the next movie that we have is Paheli. Now I have made a short dedicated video on it. I will link it here for your reference, but amazing movie. ऐसा कुछ कभी मैंने इंडियन सिनेमा में पहले देखा नहीं है, but I know that Dubidha is the movie which was released in 1972 or 1973, which is also based on the same short story that Paheli is based on. So yeah, that was the first movie. This is the second. Loved it. काफी different plot है. Please देखो, बहुत अच्छी है. 10 on 10. For the next movie we have this is the second last, so yes, I am going to go in a few minutes. Miss me. Next we have Speak No Evil. मैकएवॉय की काफी सारी ऐसी मूवी है जिसमें मैं देख के ऐसे हो जाती हूँ. Now the plot of the movie is basically that there is a couple who happens to go to London and they meet James McAvoy और उसकी family उधर पे, but things turn around and they take a turn when James McAvoy और उसकी family इन लोगों को, ये couple जो घूमना है इनको वेकेशन, मिनी वेकेशन के लिए अपने घर बुलाती है, और वहाँ पे चीजें यूजुअल नहीं होती है. हेल्ड इट्स टोन, एक सटल वायलेंस है, एक प्लॉट पे काफी मेहनत की है, स्क्रीन प्ले काफी अच्छा है, सिनेमेटोग्राफी और मतलब जो सेटअप है ना, इट इज सो रियल एंड इट स्केयर्स यू. So amazing. I would give it a solid 8.2 on 10. For the last movie we have A Wednesday. Now when this Sonam Wangchuk's incident happened, when CJP movement started, there were a lot of patriotic movie ka recommendation that I come across, and I was planning to watch this movie called A Wednesday on my phone, but I happened to watch it on TV because it was airing on it, and I loved it. इसका डायरेक्शन इज वेरी अनयूजुअल. भाई कुछ अलग ही ट्राई किया है उसने. ऐसा लगता है कि समटाइम्स यू विल फील दैट यू आर वाचिंग अ लो बजट मूवी, बट द प्लॉट, the story, the message that I have chosen is crazy. It is based on a common man who is played by Nasiruddin Shah, and I am at no place to comment his acting skills because A1 top notch. अमेजिंग मूवी. इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू गूज़बम्प्स, और आप एक ऐसे मतलब दूसरे दिन आर्मी ज्वाइन कर लोगे, इतना क्रेजी आपको ये फील कराएगा इसका आफ्टर इफेक्ट. सो लव्ड इट एंड दैट्स माय टाइम. दीज वर द 13 movies that I've watched, and if you want any movie specific review, please drop in the comment which one of these are your favorite, or if you watched it or not, let me know and subscribe kar do guys. It has been so many days. Love you all. Be kind. Tada.